Hi guys, welcome to my cocktail vlog. I'm glad to see you again. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare a simple 3-ingredient cocktail, the Brown Derby. The Brown Derby is a bourbon-based cocktail. All the whiskey lovers will love it for sure, but don't be sad. Even those who do not prefer whiskey will definitely like it. A combination of citrus bitterness from grapefruit and sweetness from honey syrup is super tasty. For this cocktail, we need a bourbon. I'm using Jim Beam, the most popular one, the most commercial one. I like this bottle, I like the shape of this bottle. Then we need the fresh grapefruit juice. So we need a grapefruit. This is a ruby red grapefruit. And the last ingredient is honey syrup, which is half honey, half water. Super easy. Don't forget to prepare garnish before you cut and squeeze grapefruit, because it's quite hard then. One, two, three, four, five, six. Add ice and give it a shake. Easy peasy grapefruit squeezy. Don't forget to chill down your cube glass. I did it in a freezer, but you can also use one ice cube. And if you like this small glass trick, watch this video and you can learn it within 1 minute. As we have a fresh citrus juice, use a double strainer. And for garnish, add a twist of grapefruit. Impress your friends and express the citrus oils. So this is the Brown Derby. If you guys liked this video, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, you know what to do. Feel free to combine it also with lemon or orange juice. Thank you very much for watching this video. Cheers and see you next time.